This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups by the site Changify.link. Changify.link is a dangerous site taking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to basically make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions which actually may function as adware or as browser hijackers. So be very careful with these pop-ups by this site Changify.link. Do not install what these pop-ups actually promote. I recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may obtain on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and once it gets installed, start researching the system to detect and remove all other threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.